Found old email files from Outlook Express in archive folders? These contain saved email messages from this discontinued email client. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these Outlook Express email message files. The simplest approach is coming. We will talk about a powerful third-party email file inspection utility that extends its support to hundreds of different file types. An email file is a complete email message saved by Microsoft Outlook Express, a discontinued email client. Users typically encounter this legacy format as an attachment, causing confusion on modern systems. The file encapsulates the entire message, including sender, recipient, subject, body text, and any original attachments in a single file. Structurally, the email format adheres to the RFC 822 standard for plain text email messages. It is a text-based file containing header fields, to, from, subject, followed by the message body. This simple, non-proprietary design was intended for maximum interoperability between early email servers and clients, ensuring messages could be easily stored and forwarded. The standard opener for email is known to be Microsoft Outlook Express, developed by Microsoft Corporation. To access all data streams, audio, video, subtitles, a dedicated media container handler is required. Windows cannot interpret many email formats directly, so viewing relies on an email client. Your first step to definitive access, right-click the email file and choose Open With. If Microsoft Outlook Express is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. If you still can't open the email file, it's okay. We're going to use the universal fix, but it helps to know the source. Here are the most common technical culprits behind your system's rejection of the email file. First, opening in modern email clients. Most modern email clients like Mozilla, Thunderbird, Microsoft Outlook, or Mailbird import EML format files, which email files essentially are. Try renaming the extension to .eml and opening with your email client. The message displays with full formatting attachments and proper recipient information for review. Next, text editor examination. Open email files in any text editor like Notepad++ since they're text-based MIME format files. The headers reveal sender, recipient, and subject information, while the body shows message content. Encoded attachments appear as base 64 text blocks at the end of the file, requiring decoding for actual file extraction. Finally, importing into Thunderbird. Use Mozilla Thunderbird with the import-export tools. NG add-on for batch importing email files. Install Thunderbird, create or use existing email account. Install the extension and use its import features. This enables consolidating old Outlook Express messages into modern email management with full search and organization capabilities. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.